Right, we'll continue with the video now. Sorry about that. Got a rogue phone call from some jokers in Milton Keynes. X plus 16 is equal to A, X plus 4 plus B, X minus 2. What are we going to want to substitute in? X equals 2. So we're going to get 18 is equal to 6A. Oh, that's nice. A is equal to 3. That's reassuring. X equal to minus 4, and we'll get minus 4 plus 16 is 12 is equal to minus 6b. Again, that's quite reassuring, isn't it? Nice whole numbers. So that let's just put that answer in there, is equal to 3 over x minus 2 over x plus 4. So if we then, what we got here is 4 plus 3 over x minus 2 over x plus 4 is equal to, I'm going to call it g of x, and that's our g of x. So that thing there is equal to that, which is our answer. So we've got a equals 4, b equals 3, and c equals minus 2. All right, hence otherwise expand in extended powers of x as far as the x squared term, giving each coefficient as a simplified fraction. Now, how are we going to do this? Maybe over here. Is there enough room? Let's have a look. So we've got, we want to 4 plus 3, I'm going to write it like this, x minus 2 to the minus 1 minus 2, x plus 4 to the minus 1. Is that in a form we can expand yet? I wish I had my formula book on me. I'm sure you guys have got one. Maybe you can open one in your browser if you haven't got one. I'm going to look up this formula here, just to double check it. So binomial expansion, 104. Just want to double check, make sure I'm not getting it wrong. So I've gone to the end of a chapter. It's 1 plus x to the n. So we need a 1, don't we? So these, so we're using our general binomial expansion formula. So not the one you looked at last year, but the one we looked at this year. So it's like 1 plus x to the n. Where is that on the paper? So we're using, what we want is 1 plus x to the n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 x squared over 2 factorial plus the, actually we only need to go up to the x squared term. So that's going to be 4 plus, we need 1 plus, don't we? So 3, and I'm going to take out, okay, we just got to be careful with brackets here. So I'm going to take out minus 2 because we want plus, brackets, that becomes 1 minus x over 2, and all of that's to the power of minus 1, right? And this one again, we're going to have minus 2 brackets and then 4 brackets 1 plus x over 4. All of that is to the minus 1, and all of that is to the minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 3. When I was doing some work for the exam boards earlier in the year, this was done to very different levels of success by students. Now this bit's only to the minus 1. Now we've applied the minus 1 to that already, and it all came down to layout. So people could access these questions, and the ones who did well were the ones who laid it out well and used appropriate numbers of brackets. So I'm just going to emphasize that now. I haven't even done the expansion yet. We're going to be expanding this bit here, and we can simplify that, can't we? Minus a half. So this is quite a long question actually. And now we do the expansion. So it's 4 plus minus 3 over 2. Now brackets. So it's, here we've got, what have we got? X goes to x over 2 minus x over 2. Minus x over 2. And n is minus 1. Here we've got x is x over 4 and n is minus 1. So I'm just putting that just to kind of remind you what we're doing here in that formula. All right. So what is it? It's 1 plus n x, use brackets, plus n minus 1 x squared all over 2 factorial plus dot 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 whatever, we just need to cut to the x squared term, plus, and this is this one now, minus a half, and now we're going to run out of room, so if I come across a little bit that should be good, minus a half brackets 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 x squared over 2 factorial, which is 2. Okay, done. Right, now we've got to simplify everything. 4 plus minus 3 over 2 into 1 and minus the minus plus x over 2. Well, that's going to cancel with that, leaving 1. That's going to become an x to the 4. Now we're going to have, that's going to become positive. Minus times minus is positive. That's all positive. And we're going to get x squared over 4. Okay, that's that one. Lovely. Plus minus a half. And then this is going to be 1. That's going to be minus x over 4. And that's going to be, okay, that's going to cancel with that again. Minus times a minus is a plus, so that's positive. This squared is x over 16, so plus x over 16. Plus dot dot dot, whatever. That's all we're doing because it's up to the x squared. 4. Okay, now we're going to expand everything. Minus 3 over 2. Minus 3x over 4. Minus 3x squared over 8. Minus a half. Plus x over 8. Minus, that should be an x squared over 32. Right, okay, now bring together all the like terms. Minus 1.5 minus half is minus 2, plus the 4 is a 2. So we've done that, and that. So this we're going to give us minus 6x over 8 plus 1, so that's minus 5x over 8. If we bring those two together, and then this one's going to give us times by 4, and times by 4 is going to give us 12 over 32. So minus 12 over 32, minus another one is minus 13 over 32, x squared. I hope that's the right answer. And if it's not, you will let me know.